Dynamic pile testing is a method used to evaluate the load carrying capacity, integrity, and driving stress of piles by applying dynamic impact loads during or after installation. It is faster and more economical compared to static load testing. Purpose of dynamic pile testing: determine ultimate load capacity, check pile integrity, measure driving stress, verify hammer performance, optimize pile length. Principle: dynamic testing is based on the wave equation theory where a hammer blow generates a stress wave. The wave travels down the pile. Part of the wave reflects back from the toe and soil resistance. Sensors measure force and velocity. Capacity is calculated using signal method. Types of dynamic pile tests: high strain dynamic test HSDT, also known as PDA test, pile driving analyzer test. Equipments: strain transducers, accelerometer, data acquisition system, impact hammer. Standard: ASTM D4945, IS 2911 Part 4, used for estimating pile capacity, integrating assessment, driving stress analysis. Low strain integrity test, PIT, also called sonic integrity test, echo test. Principle: small hammer tap at a pile head, reflected wave shown defects or cracks. Used for determining cracks, necking, voids length verification. High strain dynamic testing procedure: attach a strain gauge and accelerometer to pile, connect to data acquisition system, apply hammer blow, record force and velocity, analyze using CAPWAP software, obtain ultimate capacity, skin, friction, end bearing stress distribution. Advantages: quick results, cost effective, can be performed during driving less time than static load test. Limitations: require experienced engineer, less accurate than static load test, soil damping assumptions affect results. Dynamic versus static load test comparison. Parameter: dynamic test, static test. Time: few hours, several hours. Cost: lower, higher. Accuracy: moderate, high. Setup: simple, complex. Where used in highway projects: dynamic pile testing is commonly used in flyover, foundation, bridge pier, river bridges, large diameter board piles, especially in highway work under most specification.